Hey, you never finished telling me about your rehearsal.
It's okay. I'm tired. We can talk about it tomorrow.
Okay. Hey, can you turn the light up, babe?
I just realized we didn't eat dinner tonight, Jack.
I had a pretty big lunch. I'm good.
Well, I'm gonna go make myself something then.
Late, babe.
I listen to the wind of my soul. Where I'll end up, well, I think only God really knows.
Mom!
I've sat upon the setting sun.
What?
Can't turn the washing machine off. I think it's possessed.
Kev, you know you can always go back to your old room with Randall.
Water once, and never, never, never. I listen to my words, but they fall far below. I let my music take me where my heart wants to go.
Oh my God. This is the best washing machine in the whole world. I'm turned on by this washing machine.
Oh, I will show you. Turn on.
Jack, help! It's leaking everywhere!
Get the bucket! Okay. Pearson's bail out.
Washing machine is officially cooked, babe.
Nah, she's still got some life in her. At least 6 more cycles.
Jack, we have 3 infants. We're gonna be doing 6 cycles by noon.
We can do it. You wash, and I'll fold.
I let my music take me where my heart wants to go. I swam on the devil.
Baby, one day, I'm gonna buy you the best washing machine in the world.
Never, never, I'll never make the same mistake. No, never.